In order to get any app on your iPad, you follow the same basic process. In this video, I'll show you how to get Google Drive in particular onto your iPad. However, the same process can be repeated to get Google Docs, Slides, Sheets, or any other app for that matter. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the App Store by clicking on the icon on the home screen. Then you can search for whatever app you want by typing in the search bar. You can also search by keywords if you aren't exactly sure what app you're looking for. For this demonstration, I'm going to type in Google Drive. The first app that comes up happens to be the one that I want. To download it, I simply press Get, or the little cloud with an arrow pointing down that means download. You may need to enter your iCloud password to permit the download. Then, a little box with a circle around it will appear to show you that it is downloading. When finished downloading, the app will now show up on your home screen, or you can select Open, where the Get button used to be, to open your new app. The first time you open a new app, oftentimes there will be a mini tutorial of sorts. In this case, there are several slides explaining a few things about Google Drive. Swipe right to read through them. Then it will ask which account you'd like to link to. Choose whichever account you prefer, although if you followed the previous video, I recommend your new Google account that is already set up on this iPad. You can also set your preferences with new apps. For example, Google Drive asked if I wanted to back up photos and videos I take with this iPad. There's not a right or wrong choice. It's completely up to you. You can always change your mind later. It just might take a few steps to change things in settings in the future. Since I chose to link to my old Google account, I already have several folders in my Google Drive. Altus High School, Business, Grad School, etc. We'll explain more what Google Drive is soon, but for now, notice the button with 3 lines in the top left. This is a common symbol, and it means menu. Pressing it will bring up options of things you can do or places you can go. In Google Drive, it allows you to look at recent things you've worked on, go to settings, get help and feedback, etc. Additionally, the red plus button in the bottom right is how you can add folders, documents, and slides. Pressing the menu button on the iPad, the only actual button, that little circle on the bottom, will bring you back to the home screen. However, to actually close the app so that it's not running in the background, double-click that menu button. This will show you all of the apps currently running. Swiping up will close them completely and can help save battery life, as well as help your iPad run more quickly. Downloading other apps for the iPad will work exactly the same way, so come back to this tutorial as needed.